Back to Coffee Table Talks, and I am Uma over here. So it has been a great pleasure to be with the Sterling Holidays, because they have organized a bloggers meet in Ooty study over here, and they have interesting hashline which is called holiday differently, which means like you go to the same place, even though if you go to the same place you can really have a different experience. Like I have been to Ooty for quite a long time, but I had not had such an experience. Like usually when you come to places like Ooty or Kodaikanal or whatever it is, kind of a tourist destination, we all have a specific tourist spot, but this holiday differently is something that Sterling is trying to incorporate, which means like they're giving experience to the travelers, to the tourists, to the family footage in this video, and probably one or two videos I would be attaching. So in that you would find how Sterling has derived from a normal it is just not a normal kind of a place or a stay or a resort. It endures in giving a different experience, and they have a lot of other activities which usually a lot of resorts don't give. For example, like they give the nature trails, they give an opportunity for us to go and visit the tribes over here. In particularly I'm talking in Ooty, and they have different variety of programs in other places. In Ooty, like they have one program of actually you can go and visit the TODA tribes, and you can dance with them, you can sing with them, and it is kind of nice, because every vacation or every holiday is usually a memory, and that should be spent with the family, with the friends, or whomever you're coming in with. It's not just looking into a sightseeing place, or it's not just going to a random place. It's not like that. I personally feel holiday is something that it's a time for the families to reconnect, for the friends to reconnect, and these kind of activities are very helpful. And to talk about the property as a very well established, everything is well established over here. The hospitality is good, the food is really good, and I had a great time. As I said, there were different activities for kids, for a different age group of people. There is a spa over here. So on the whole, Sterling is trying to incorporate, and they are incorporating so much memories. Even I personally have a memory, and this is something really great. And room, talking about the cleanliness and everything, it is so perfect. It is so nice. I will show you a room tour, and there is another 2 or 3 videos which is coming up, which will be showing you much of what I had experienced in Sterling. And I hope this video is quite useful to you, and I would like to thank Sterling for giving us a wonderful opportunity.